How to fix PayPal not letting me transfer money. I'm going to show you a few different fixes. First, you want to open up the browser which you use PayPal for. Click on the three dots and then select settings. Here you will search for cache and click on delete browsing data, history, cookies, cache and more, and you want to check cached images and files, and then you will set the time frame for all time, and you want to click on delete from this device. This is the first thing that we can do, the easiest thing. The next thing that I suggest doing is verifying your identity if you haven't done so already. Once you sign into PayPal, if you need to take any steps in order to verify your identity, bank account information, they will be displayed in this notification icon. Once you click on them, it is going to show you all of the steps that you need to take in order to verify your identity, bank account information, and be able to transfer money. If you have verified your identity and bank account information, we can proceed to wallet here. You will click on wallet and then you just want to verify all of the information again. Like I said, the bank account information and the card information if you have added them. Make sure all of your information is correct, and the last thing that I suggest doing is unlinking them. Unlink your bank account, debit card, and then relink them, and that should hopefully let you transfer money and fix the issue. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.